I just want to share a few things with all of you guys because this is what I have noticing for the last 4 to 5 months whenever I'm opening my any one of my social media platform, mainly LinkedIn. And I believe that you guys have experienced the same thing when you are opening your LinkedIn profile and going through the feed. Right now you have noticed that you are getting bombarded with a lot of N10 experts where they're making the claim that if you run this N10 automation is going to save you 100k, million, these kind of numbers they give. And I don't understand one thing, that from where they're getting this particular number. That when you will run this automation which will post on a social media platform which is going to trigger based on the event and send the automated email, we know that it's good. When you have a website where you are selling something, where the user is putting something into the cart but they're not buying it, you can run that automation. You can give the follow-up emails, you can provide a coupon, tons of automation you can run to make that particular sale happen. Like, it is nothing new. But right now the thing which you can see that tons of N10 experts are getting into the market. They are saying that if you simply follow this N10 program, it's going to save millions of dollars. And here I just want to draw one line for all of you guys. Don't get confused between N10 and the actual development, because a lot of you are confused about this AI automation and the development field. Don't get into this confusion, because N10 is just a tool. N10 is just a low code tool. And anybody can build that kind of automations. All you need to build a proper roadmap, that what exactly you want to execute and how you want to execute and how you're going to trigger the event when something is happening. So these are the things which you have to keep in mind. Like, there you don't need to program anything. You can do that. There is a programming involved if you want to take it to the next level. But not everybody can be a programmer, because right now all those users who's claiming they're at N10 expert, they're not a coder. They're simply building the particular layout for the sales marketing, hiring, HR, or doing some sort of social media post, and they're calling themselves as an N10 expert. So don't waste your time into this. When you will learn the coding and you will understand every single thing, then you can able to build something from scratch which would be more powerful, because the power you can get from building something scratch and having the parameter you set from your own side, having multiple conditions, that is totally different thing. So if you think that you're going to simply understand the N10 and you can build the workflow and you will get into the company, that's not going to be happen at all. That will not happen at all. Because if you look at the large scale company, they're not going to give this N10 and just use it as it is for a simple workflow. They are using it, but not in that level, and anybody can build it. So you won't have any specific skills to sell. That's the thing you have to understand. So don't get confused and mix this N10, which is a tool where you can able to put the trigger point, put the workflow, use the AI model to simply process the entire automation. It's nothing new. We have this kind of things in the past. If you go 5 years ago, 6 years ago, for managing the social media accounts, where we can simply schedule the post and trigger the event based on that. We can simply manage the entire a commenting session from the one single dashboard. So these kind of things we had in the past now is getting advanced, and we're getting the AI integration into it. So it's nothing new. So don't get confused when they throw this kind of number that once you will have this N10, it will save you X amount of money. I don't know from where they're getting this money, who's approving that money, and they're just telling you to just put a comment, so I will give you it. What you will do by taking that particular N10? Like, it's very simple to build that workflow. Just try to find it out that what it is and what exactly you want to execute. It's very simple. So the reason why I make this dedicated video, because I was getting a lot of confused, because I was getting a lot of questions from many of you guys, and you guys are getting confused about this N10 automations. Suddenly you start focusing on the automation. Like, it's just a tools. You have to know how to use it, and these things will come and go. This thing will come and go. More advanced thing will come. So you have to know how to utilize it. You can't leave your actual development. There you will have a very big downfall, because if you really want to work in the industry, then this is not how things work. There you need your skills to provide it. Right now there is a competition. You have to compete with the AI, you have to compete with the fellow developer, then you have to be the best to get into the company. That's the thing you have to realize, because this is what I have noticed, and I was getting quite frustrated when I was getting these kind of things. And like, the problem is that how you cannot understand. That's my basic question which I want to ask you all, that you have to understand the difference between an AI tool and the difference between actual skills. Like using AI tool is a skill, but it's not a hardcore skill. Anybody can learn it. You have to understand that how it's work, then you can able to use your brain to frame out the entire structure. It's not that rocket science. But when you want to learn the coding, there you have to spend time, build something meaningful. So never ever get confused with this n8n. Like they throw this kind of number, they has no any backup authority into that. They just build some simple automation for sending an email, and they say this will save $1 billion or $1 million or X amount of money. So don't get into this particular trap. Okay, you have your work as a beginner or intermediate or advanced developer to focus on your skills, master it. When you will have a proper understanding about your skills, you have the understanding about the programming language, that's how you will bring a real value. Otherwise, if you use this AI model and you think that you're going to get into the company, that's not going to happen, to be honest. Because right now in our organization, we use AI model heavily. We use extensively all of this AI model, and we know how to utilize it and where we have that particular problem. This AI model will make your work a little easy at the starting point, where 50% work you can just automate, because there we have to spend a lot of time in the research part, building a structure based on the layout, and then we'll start focusing on the actual and doing the optimization, focusing on the security part. So this AI model is good for starting point, but when your application will grow, then you need more experience, there you need hardcore understanding about your work, about your skills, whether you are JavaScript developer, Solidity developer, blockchain developer. There you need experience, then you can able to perform better in the project. If you think that you know how to use this AI model, you will get into the company, that's not going to happen, to be honest. This AI is your friend, this n8n model is your friend, which you can use it, which you can able to facilitate in the side, even in better way if you have the coding skill. So that's the thing you have to understand. Okay, don't get confused with this AI n8n expert. Okay, so don't be in this particular trap. That's the only thing I want to share with all of you guys, and I want you to tell me what do you think about it. Where I'm wrong, just correct me if I missed something, or maybe you have some good valid point which you can tell me. So just let me know in the comment section that what do you think about it. Like n8n is actual coding, or learning a programming language, building something from scratch is the actual one. Both has a different role, both has a different utility. Which one you want to pick? So just let me know in your thought in the comment section. That's the only thing I want to talk about in this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.